I can't believe this phone cost less than an AirPod. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Redmi A5, one of the most budget-friendly smartphones in the Xiaomi lineup. But is this phone just cheap, or is it actually a solid daily driver? Let's find out. The version I have is 3GB RAM and 64GB storage and cost only $65. Yes, just $65 for a brand new 2025 Android phone. Let's start with the unboxing and see what's in the box. They didn't go easy on the packaging. This is a thick box with a lot of things in it. Let's set the phone aside and see what else is there in the box. We get a 15-watt charger here with a USB-A to USB-C cable to charge the 5200 mAh battery. Documents, user manual and a SIM tool. A generic clear case is included in the box. Let's get to the phone. We have the Redmi A5 here in midnight black. Soon as you turn on the phone, you will notice the dated teardrop camera notch, which is expected for a phone in this price segment. The back shell is really amazing, black with matte finish and really good build quality. The pill-shaped camera bump looks good as well, with the unique glossy outer ring. The in-hand feeling is great. The plastic back doesn't feel cheap at all. The SIM and SD card slot is on top left. Microphone, USB-C port and headphone jack is on the bottom. There is a tiny speaker grill on top. No speaker on the bottom. Volume and power button on the right. The crazy part about the phone is that it is launching with Android 15 and offers 2 years of major Android updates. The software experience is smooth and seems like it can handle some multitasking. The device is supposed to have 120 Hz refresh rate, but it is more like 90 Hz, which is still really good for this price point. The chipset is decent, handles light to moderate tasks really well. Surprisingly, very few pre-installed bloatware. This display is massive. It is 6.88 inches and the star of this device. Even with such a big display, the weight of this phone is really well balanced. At 193 grams, this fits comfortably in my hands. The display is LCD panel with 720 by 1620 pixels. This is a great display for consuming media. The single speaker produces loud enough sound to support the visuals. You can play YouTube videos at maximum 1080p. Alright, let's talk about the cameras. The primary camera is 32 megapixel. They gave us 2 lenses to improve image quality. I don't think the second lens helped at all. The photo looked below average in bright daylight. They lack details and has a lot of artifacts. Same case with videos. You can shoot up to 1080p 30 fps. Stabilization is not good. But I think the quality is not bad for a $65 phone. In low light the photos turn really mushy and grainy, but it is usable. It has a portrait mode and the selfie camera is 8 megapixel, which works fine for clean video calls. This is actually a great phone for the price. If you are looking for a backup second phone for traveling or a phone for someone elderly, this massive screen and long-lasting battery makes it an easy recommendation. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to stay tuned to the channel.